Looking to upgrade your car's sound system without losing the convenience of your factory controls? The LC8i 8-channel signal processor is designed to deliver just that. It accepts powerful 400-watt signals per channel and converts them into pristine preamp signals, giving you rich, high-quality audio while keeping your factory volume and steering wheel controls fully functional. What makes the LC8i stand out is its incredible flexibility. Whether your factory system or amplifier is pumping out speaker-level inputs, this processor handles them effortlessly. Plus, it includes an auxiliary input, so adding your iPod, satellite radio tuner, or other portable audio devices is a breeze. Switching between your main audio source and auxiliary input is as simple as tapping the dash control knob, which also lets you adjust the auxiliary volume and fine-tune your subwoofer level on the fly. Beyond just sound quality, the LC8i features internal channel summing and a selectable GTO signal sensing turn-on circuit, making installation smoother and more adaptable to your setup. Users rave about how this processor brings concert-like bass and crystal-clear mids to their rides, all while maintaining seamless control through factory interfaces. If you want a solution that respects your car's original controls but delivers a serious upgrade in sound, the LC8i is worth a close look. It's especially ideal for anyone with foreign cars who values keeping factory controls intact while enhancing audio performance. Try it when you're ready to experience the difference yourself.